Inside, I DIY a power bank like this. Can hold 8 nuts. 21,700 lithium battery capacity can reach 30,000 milliamp hours. But it's just too big, and the wireless charging function doesn't seem to work. So I returned it. I got a smaller one. This will hold 6 nuts. 21,700 lithium battery capacity can reach 30,000 milliamp hours. The texture of the black plastic shell is still good. This DIY is almost without any difficulty, as long as you know the positive and negative electrodes. But I know a lot of people. He can't even tell the difference between positive and negative. Here's the Tesla disassembly machine used. The lithium battery capacity is about 3,300 milliamp hours. The price of a section is only 7 yuan. Including surgery, it's less than 80 yuan. After installing the battery, plug it in and activate. What about after activation? It shows 87% battery. Shell mark capacity is 30,000 milliamp hours. You can't get on the plane like this. Although this power